Hey guys, in this video we're gonna take a look at the Mi Sports Bluetooth Earphones Basic, which is a new product from Mi and launched alongside Redmi Note 7 Pro. And it states that it has 9 hours long battery life, dynamic bass, IPX4 splash and sweat proof, and secure fit design. So in this video we are going to unbox it and take a quick look at it, and I'll be reviewing it soon. So yeah, subscribe for that. And now let's start with the video. So guys, this is how the box is, and you can see the box is damaged from this side, so I didn't take it that much look, so I thought let's just unbox it in front of the camera, and I didn't. So as you can see, I was removing this lid and it didn't got removed, so I just thought let's again try it on the camera, and you can see it's really sticky and it got removed. And this is not the way I unbox, I just like tear it apart, but yeah, it's in front of camera. So okay, so you can see these are the earphones. Let's just easily remove them. Wow. Okay. So these are the earphones, you can see, good design, new design. These are the buds, these are the ear handle that will not make your earphones fall, and these are very lightweight, guys. You can see the build, it's plastic. This thing, it's also okay. I cannot give it stars and rating in this first handy look. So you can see this is the design, this is the black variant, and they also have white and gold, and they have some earbuds, extra earbuds. Oops. So okay, so 4 size of earbuds extras are available. You can see various sizes: small, medium, large, and maybe extra large, or whatever that is called. Okay, let's put this beside. And one more thing that fell off, which is the charging cable. So it's just a USB normal cable. Now let's get back to the earphones, and this is the design. You can see it's like a capsule, it looks, and it gives a violet, or I don't know what color that is, but looks like that, and shiny effect. Earbuds are well. The build is plastic, this is rubber. I thought this is something hard and it will hurt my ears, but yeah, it's just rubber. So this is how they are powered on. Yes, I guess. Okay, so this is how they are powered on. So I'll quickly bring my device to get it paired. So guys, I will be using the Redmi Note 7 Pro, and sorry for that, I will just turn on Wi-Fi and DND. Okay, and I have Bluetooth already enabled. This is the JBL T110 Bluetooth earphones which I use currently, and these are the new MI. So let's just lighten it up. Let's just power it up, and first time pairing you have to just hold this button until the white light starts blinking continuously, like this. Just leave it and check your phone now. Refresh. Okay, so this is my Sports Bluetooth earphones Basic, the name. Let's pair. Allow access to your contact and call. I don't know why. Okay, so I can take calls. Okay, and you can see it's connected and the battery is 100% and shows active. So while connected, it doesn't show anything. Yeah, just a blink of light per 5 to 6 seconds. So yeah, that's it. The pairing is easy, and I'm not going to just wear it on my ears and show it how it looks on my ears. The ear fit is really different from person to person. So guys, this is a Bluetooth earphones, and I will just show you them out of this. Now these are really lightweight, and this part, the main part, it's plastic quality. I expected something better, but at 1500. Now the cable is also not that much good, so just please keep it in a well condition. And yes, I like this build, how it looks, the style, and also this ear fit, which will make our headphones not fall from our ear. Yeah, this is really good. I thought it was plastic, but yeah, no, it's rubber. So that's it for the unboxing and quick look. And yeah, the review, I'll be giving it in a few days because I have to use them harshly in almost like all conditions. Also I have to try the sweat proof thing, does it work or not. Also I have to test battery life, everything, the sound clarity, bass, everything I will be telling you. Now this is just meant for sports, and I'm not a sports person. I just walk my dog for like 1 or 2 hours a day. So yeah, I will just use them, while also I will watch a movie and also songs or like some series. So I will just tell you what, like, if you are using it for your normal usage or your sports usage, everything I will be telling you. So yeah, just wait for the full review because I have to use it properly and not just tell about like just listen to a couple of songs and then. So yeah, I will just use it properly for like 2 to 3 days. Yeah, just watch movies, video content, and we'll give you a fair review. So if you guys want to watch that, just wait for the video, and for that you have to subscribe. Also press the bell icon if you need. I'm not like compulsing you into forcing it into that, but yeah, if you need, you can press the bell icon. Also, if you guys like this weird unboxing, just yeah, press the like button. Also subscribe button too, which I already told you. I don't know why I'm telling you this again and again. Also guys, dislikes button you can press because you have to show me feedback if you guys have liked this video or not. And yes, also tell me about audio quality, video quality. Also the Redmi Note 7 Pro review is coming soon if you are a Redmi Note 7 Pro user or if you are willing to buy. So yeah, just wait. I'm not going to just push out the review soon. I have to test it thoroughly. And yes, bye bye, nothing else. Bye bye. Not to stretch the video a lot. Still bye bye.